You are welcome to today's video lesson with Distinction Medic, and in the course of today's video lesson I will be solving a very aspect in chemistry which is known to be redox calculation. In this particular video lesson you will get to know how to solve different practice questions based on redox calculation. Okay, so before we start this wonderful lesson, if you haven't subscribed yet to the wonderful community, please consider subscribing to the channel, like, comment and share, and also turn on the notification button to this channel in order not to miss any subsequent videos lesson. Let's jump right into the work. Now, it must be noted that this particular question is from the redox titration calculation. Okay, that should be noted. Now, when solving for this, you must take note of a formula which is CAVE over CBVB is equal to NE over NB. This particular formula must be noted. It must be noted. Okay, now why this is the concentration of the acid, for this is the volume of acid, this is the concentration of base, why this is the volume of base, and this is the number of mole of acid, and this is the number of mole of base. That should be noted. Okay, it should be noted. Take note of it. Okay, now when solving for redox calculation, you must have a general knowledge on how to derive a chemical equation. Okay, now let's start with this. Let's derive the chemical equation. Okay, now when deriving, we have 0.05 moles per m³ of acid is neutralized by 25 cm³ NaOH, which is not also known to be sodium hydroxide, if the volume of acid used is 32.00 cm³. What is the concentration of the base? We have to find for the concentration of the base. That should be noted. Okay, now let's derive our chemical equation. Now they said 0.05 moles per m HCl. Okay, now HCl plus is neutralized by 25 cm³ of sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide giving sodium chloride. You can see sodium chloride plus H2O, which is also known to be water. The chemical formula of H2O is water. For this is sodium chloride, is a table salt. Okay, that should be noted. Now let's move on. Now let's input our panels. This one, for this is 0.05 moles per m³ LCl is the concentration of the acid. Okay, so Ca is equal to 0.05 moles per dm³ is the concentration of the acid. For this is the volume of the acid. Now if the volume of the acid used is 32.0 cm³, now the volume of the acid used is 32.00 cm³. Why? For the concentration of the base is unknown, because we are asked to find for the what is the concentration of the base. Okay, concentration of the base is unknown. Okay, now for this volume of the base, the volume of the base is simply 25 cm³ NaOH. You can see NaOH is a base, so 25 cm³. You can see it's very easy. Okay, now let's input it. Now CAVE over CBVB is equal equal to Na over Nb. Now we are asked, now let's input it. Concentration of the, I'm going to use this as the subject of the formula. Now let's cross multiply. Now CA VA NB is equal to CB VB NA. Now we are asked to find for the concentration of the base. Okay, now let's use concentration of the base as the subject of the formula. Now VB NA VB NA, cancel and cancel. Now CB will now be CA VA NB over VB NA. You can see, okay. Now our CB will now be, what is the concentration of the acid? The concentration of the acid is 0.05 times the volume of the acid. What's the volume of the acid? Is 32.00 centimeter cube. Now 32.00 centimeter cube. This is moles per million cube. Times, what is the number of mole of the base? You can see the number of mole of the base. There's no number of mole. Okay, there's no number of mole. You can see there's nothing there. It's 1 over volume of the base. What is the volume of base? Is 25 centimeter cube times the number of mole of acid. There's no number of mole of acid here. You can see it's also 1. Now CB will now be 0.05 times 32.00 now be 1.6 over 25 cm cube. Okay, now our concentration of the base will now be 0.064 more in moles per em cube. That should be noted. You can see it is actually actually very easy. You can see. Now I think you can solve more questions based on this particular topic. Now we have come to the end of this video's lesson. If you found this video's lesson helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, like this video and share, and also comment. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.